features of Pear Deck are one, that it allows us to use our Google Slides, which we're probably already using in class, and two, that they have this amazing template library. So when you open up your Pear Deck add-on side bar here, you're going to notice right at the top it says our template library. This is great because it's broken up into different categories. First of all, we have lesson builders. These are great for the beginning of the lesson. So they have some different examples here and they're all super customizable. So let's just click on this first text slide here. This would bring in a text slide that you could use at the very beginning of your lesson. And all this is you just click on it, it's a text box, so you can completely customize it to whatever you want to say. If I go back, we have some during lesson assessments already made. Just click on them, bring them in, and then customize them to ask the question. And we also have, of course, the end of the lesson, like your exit ticket. That could be something like this. So how are you feeling after the lesson? And this is a drawing slide. So this drawing slide would be one that they could just circle. Quick formative assessment. Then we also have some learning development category. So these are making connections and seeing things from a different point of view and so on. So again, great ideas here for you to use inside your lesson. And we do have some SEL stuff. So these are great for the beginning of a lesson or the end of the lesson. Then when we get down here, it becomes even better because now we have subject area. So for instance, if the K1 and 2 teachers want to use Pear Deck in their classroom, they actually have templates here that are designed just for emerging readers or K1 and 2 students. If we go back here, if you're a math teacher and you don't want to have to recreate everything, here are some great examples of math questions. So you can just use these. If I take, let's say right here, this is a great one. See, a lot of teachers use this one already. So we have a coordinate grid here, and then you can enter your problem and they can actually draw out the lines and such on here. So all that stuff is created. We have social studies, we have world languages, and ELA, and science. So all of these different content areas, there are things already created for you that you can just take your Google slide that you've used in direct instruction and now put these in between to assess their learning throughout the lesson, the student-paced lesson. So that's how you access their template library right there. You can't miss it. Top button. Check it out. Put some of those inside your Google slide to get them really engaged.